Hi, Philip from T.W White Sons. We have a beautiful Mazda CX-30 M Hybrid 122 PS SE-L Lux here, finished in polymetal grey. It's our own demonstrator. Wonderful car, as new, registered 2020. It's on a 69 plate, SKYACTIV-G. Absolutely beautiful car. Nearly a top spec vehicle. It's in this very striking polymetal grey and will come with the balance of 3 years manufacturer's warranty. Let's look inside the car. Very hard wearing and durable black cloth interior, stitched in white, and that sort of transfers the stitching over to the door cards. You have here, this is part of the Mazda's road to premium. You have all new switchgear in these CX-30s with totally new car. It's got a wonderful feel to them. It's very delicate but very hard wearing. Gives the car a real luxury feel. Start it, we'll confirm the miles. (2,477 miles). Everything is in front of you. Gives you an average readout. The fuel consumption 39.4, and to the left of it you got MPG monitor, and to the right of the speedo you've got the fuel tank gauge. All electronic. You have here integrated Bluetooth with voice control, and you got radar cruise here. In the centre, straightforward dual climate air conditioning. You can just press auto and it'll do it all for you, or you can adjust the fan speeds and override it manually. It's got heated seats. Very convenient switches here, because Mazda have done their bit for dashboard ergonomics. Absolutely superb. Heated rear window, front demist, all in front of you, hazards in the centre, and a clear readout for the air conditioning. I don't know if we can, yes, focus correctly. That's 6-speed manual gearbox, and all the controls for the centre screen here, this which I'll come to in a minute, are all positioned here in the centre. Electronic handbrake, home, and you just rotate the centre knob and that will take you through the various menus. Features Mazda's M Hybrid system. You can see a little energy flow monitor going there. You don't have to have that on, that energy flow monitor, but it is there if you want it. M Hybrid, basically there's a lot of energy that is wasted when you decelerate, and basically the energy that is produced on deceleration gets stored in a little generator, captured in the generator. It's then stored in a 24-volt battery, and what happens with that is that once it's stored in a 24-volt battery, it helps power the vehicle's electrical system, and also helps you in terms of pulling away and through the gears, etc. So that energy that is captured through deceleration is used to power the car through its various functions. This is not a plug-in or conventional hybrid. It is Mazda's own hybrid version and works very well. You've also got there, you see a little sign saying I stop. I stop also when, if you come up to a junction or traffic lights, the engine will stop. If you engage gear and come off the clutch, it will start. The good advantage with that is that you are maximizing fuel consumption, and you're saving on fuel, and it's better for the environment. So a really great system there for Mazda's M Hybrid. If we go to the home screen, the usual thing here, you've got information, entertainment, communication, navigation and settings. I mean, obviously on entertainment, you've got the usual source list, They're FM, AM, DAB, Bluetooth. You've also got USB, 2 USBs and a CD, should you require it. You can set up favourites, look at the station list, look at the tuner controls, the manual tuning, radio text, FM settings and audio settings. This is one that's brilliant. You've got an own graphic equalizer. You can alter that between pop, rock, flat, jazz, R&B, etc. Listening position, all seats, or you can go for sort of a bit more immersive setting through the driver's seat. The graphics in these is absolutely superb. Automatic level control. That will adjust the sound according to compensate for any road or engine noise. Automatic source level control as well. Going back to the home screen, you've also got your Bluetooth. You can get into program your telephone into this, mobile phone rather. Navigation. It's widescreen nav. It's very clear and very simple to use. You just go to menu, add your destination, set it all up, and away you go. Settings. You can individually tailor this vehicle according to your own tastes in vehicle displays. You can change your center display. You can change the instrument cluster display. If you look at that, you can change it to fuel efficiency and range display, and there's several types that you can go through, type 2, type 1, etc. It may sound very complex, but it isn't. These on-screen menus that Mazda have produced are absolutely superb. Going back to it, information, fuel efficiency monitor, vehicle status monitor, vehicle maintenance settings, etc. Really, you know, wonderful. M hybrid, you see the cylinders, it's got cylinder deactivation here, I-stop, and their own hybrid system, which is excellent. This is a beautiful car in terms of SE-L Lux. Sits in the upper mid-range of the vehicle range on CX-30, and it just reinforces Mazda's M hybrid and road to premium program. Look at it, beautifully finished. It's not just about the features on this car, it's more about the way the car drives, which is superb. All that road holding, handling, braking performance DNA that they've had for decades on various stages of Mazda MX-5 has been transferred to the rest of their range, and this car is tremendous fun to drive for an SUV. Automatic wipers there, automatic lights. Got even a little place for the sunglasses there, and various map reading lights, etc. So great spec, climate, air conditioning, satellite navigation, just move here, reverse camera, electronic handbrake, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, cruise control. It's the fit and finish of this vehicle and the way in which it drives that tells you that Mazda have really come along leaps and bounds in product development over the years. This is very much an individual SUV, smaller type of SUV. It's a beautiful looking car, and it's a very functional one too. Brilliant cars to drive, these. As I say, polymetal grey metallic, wonderful colour, great spec, and it will regularly give you well over 35 mpg depending upon driving conditions, possibly over 40 as well. Doesn't use plug-in or self-charging on the hybrid. It uses the energy from deceleration, which is totally unique to Mazda. Thanks very much for watching.